In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert table in Excel. So firstly open Excel, then click on Insert. Here you will find option Table. So click on it. Now create table. Where is the data for your table? So select like we can see equal sign and dollar sign after and a dollar sign 1. So A1. So this is the actually table. Similarly, you want to table from D to 5. So type here D and change the value 1 to 5. Then click on press enter. If you want to add headers, so check this box. My table has headers. Then click on OK. So we can see now this table with header and location for this table D5. And if you want to more table, so just you need to drag like this. So we have the now table, and here are some options for this table. So it's a easy and simple way to insert table in Excel. Firstly, click on Insert, then click on Table, then click on OK. Now drag and drop as many table you want like this. You can change style from here. So hopefully you like this video. By this easy method we can know how to insert table in Excel. Thanks for watching.